Sorry guys, just Justin here a little bit. Well, this is going to be our daily, I'm going to leave right there, sorry about that. So this is going to be our daily agenda plan for Monday, February 1st, 2021. Today should be evens, but I will check that out just in case. So some reminders, your DWA, we are starting this Monday. So make sure your Chromebook is working, that you guys are ready to take this. You guys have been practicing for the last 2 weeks on how to do essay writing. So we want to make sure you guys are successful writers, especially for your DWA. So you're going to be starting it. You're going to be opening up the prompts. We're going to be looking at those steps in just a second. Homework, just for this week, make sure to read for 30 minutes and any missing assignments. You will not be doing quill. You will not be doing a do now today. So I'm going to show you guys really quick. I didn't mention in my last video, but a message from our Mendez counselors. A lot of us have been affected by COVID. It's a very long year, but if you have, and we're making a memorial page and you want to join on to it, go ahead and add to it. Second reminder, Mendez yearbook request. So they're making some pages, so if you want to check that out. All right. Under classwork, I have left a DWA tab. That's where you guys are going to go on Monday. These are your steps. Step 1, you're going to read through it. So you're going to click this. What are the benefits? That Word doc will open up, and it's going to have your DWA prompt. Then you're going to read through the 2 sources under the DWA prompt. And then you are going to draft your essays. In the rough draft documents, so right here, it's just a blank Google Doc you guys are going to be able to write through. You're going to go ahead, edit your essays after, and then submit your DWA to MyAccess. And you guys learned how to do MyAccess last week. That's the link to it. If you forgot how to access MyAccess, or you didn't do it with me, here are the directions, and here is the link, okay? I know you guys have got this. You guys are brilliant, smart, and amazing students. You're going to do great on that DWA. It's going to be easier than what we've been doing in class. As always, if you guys have questions, if you have anything you need to get to me, please let me know. Remember, communication, that's our #1 thing. We're a team and we communicate here, all right? I will see you guys on Monday.